So you're welcome to my YouTube channel. We're here today at the rail station that leads to Warri and Itakpe, close to Abuja. So you're welcome to my vlog for today. We are actually waiting for the train that's coming from Warri, and we'll actually take passengers down to Itakpe, close to the city of Abuja. Hey, Mr. Man, say hi to my YouTube people. Yeah, so we're actually waiting for them, and I'm gonna take you towards the journey of those who are actually going to Abuja. Though I am not going to Abuja, but certainly one of those days I will board, get my ticket, and take you guys all the way down to Abuja using the train station, using the train as well. So let's keep going as I take you around. Thank you. Just stay tuned. So good morning. You're welcome to Abo train station. Yeah. So what's the name?
I'm Ezekiel Ikoro Onoha, Prince.
Okay. So our beautiful sister here, what's her name?
Mercy.
So that means both of you are married, right?
About it.
Wow, that's good. That's good. Okay. And I just wanted to ask about your experience, if you've had an experience before using the train.
Not really.
Okay.
This is the first time I'm coming here.
Okay.
An in-law and a friend
Okay.
told me about the railway transport. So
Okay.
I said, let me just come and have a witness of the transportation.
How it looks like. Okay.
How it looks like.
That was
I'm
good.
coming to this place. Honestly, the environment is very organized.
Yeah.
Their services is cool.
Yeah.
You know, the observing social distancing and everything is just well, putting in place. So
Okay.
I think I'm happy.
Okay. So I wish you guys a safe trip. And where are you guys heading to, Warri or Itakpe?
Itakpe.
Okay.
That we still move for further distance.
Okay. You're going to Abuja or you're going towards the north?
In Abuja.
Okay, that's good. So the distance from Itakpe to Abuja, is it that far?
Just like 3 hours again.
3 hours. Okay. That's good. So I wish you guys a wonderful ride.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. But you didn't say anything. Say hi to my YouTube.
Hi,
And on behalf of myself and my fiance, I think we are inviting everyone, to our wedding.
Okay.
On the 10th of April.
Okay.
2021. That's just few weeks.
Wow. So everyone
is
will welcome you
invited
to the
our
wedding.
Thank
So
you so much.
thanks a lot.
Thank
everyone.
you.
Thanks. I appreciate it. already coming, and I'm expecting it here. So I just want to give you guys a picture of how it looks like. So this guy is actually boarding to itakpe. Yeah. So it's going to be a wonderful and a sweet ride as well. So this is Litra. I think the government has really done something great for the nation and our country at large. Yeah. So these are the passengers that are actually heading to itakpe. Okay. So that's the train coming. So this is a big one to our country, Nigeria. So you can see how long it is. So this is a train that just arrived from Warri, and this will actually head to itakpe. Yeah, and it's actually fun. This is the Nigeria Rail Corporation, and it's cool. So you're welcome back. How was your experience? Tell me your experience. How was your experience? Mama, how was your experience? You're welcome. Hello, sir. Welcome, sir. How was your experience, sir? You're welcome, sir. Yeah. These are persons that have already come already, so it's cool. So I'm inside. Yeah, I just wanted to ask you about your experience using the train. So, okay.
The first one,
All right. Okay.
the second one, third one.
Let's go. Train will soon be moving, and it's actually fun, and you can see that it's well secured with a lot of security personnel on the train. So it's actually a great one, and very soon the train will be moving, and I hope you are all enjoying the vlog and seeing how it takes on the train. It's so beautiful. This is the train, and the train will be moving anytime from now. It's always very fun here. So this is Nigeria, and as soon as the train will be leaving and heading straight to Abuja. It's leaving already. It's moving already. It's leaving already. safe trip. Yeah. I guess these two people are not going to miss their train. You better hurry up and meet your people, sharp, sharp. It's actually fun having the train around. Nobu, what do you think? Okay.
By standing here and seeing how things are moving,
Okay.
big joy and happiness.
Of course, of course.
I wish and I hope that sometime.
At least we'll go to either Warri or we'll go to Abuja.
Yeah.